Tacoma TRD Pro 2025 TFP door visor installation. We're gonna make sure we clean the channel. We're using here alcohol and a microfiber towel to make sure all dirt and oil is coming out the channel. We're gonna do the same thing on 4 sides. He's gonna be installing the front door visors. As you can see, you can bend them. Nothing is gonna happen to these door visors due to the material it's made. Now he's gonna be installing this clip here. You're gonna make sure that this part is going against the rubber, not the door visor. Aye. Now he's gonna be installing the second clip on the front door visor. Push it in. First door visor installed. Now he's gonna be doing the rear door visor. Remember, these door visors can be bent. Nothing is gonna happen to it because of the material we have made it. So no competition here. Driver side finish. Look at this flat fitment door visors by TFP. Now we're gonna be doing the other side. Remember to keep the windows up for 48 hours. Now we're gonna take it outside to see how it looks with the tonneau cover and the door visors by TonnoFlip. I'm gonna show you also our TonnoFlip tonneau cover install of this TRD Pro 2025. Look at this. Easy operation, right? I'm gonna show you how easy you can operate this tonneau cover, hard folding aluminum panels with a lifetime warranty. Look at this, one hand operation, sits flush on the bed. Look at this. The tailgate is gonna close. It's not like the others. Look at this. Smooth operation. I wanna show you the door visors. Look at this. Flush fitment, blacked out. The best material. Everything you're gonna be able to get it at TonnoFlip.com, launching March 2026. I hope you like it, guys.